Okay guys, I hope everybody is well. In this video I'm going to make the most basic, simple candle heater you can think of. And what I've done is used the old runoff wax from my other candle heaters, melted it down in this old food tin. I'm going to add some scented wax blocks that you use in oil burners in your home, so they are safe enough. They will melt into the hot recycled wax, and then for the wick, an old piece of twine. It's not going to stand up in the middle until this wax is solidified a bit more, so I will leave it a while and then put this piece of twine in place. So I've left this half an hour. The wax is solidified enough for me to pull this twine into the center to use as a wick for this scented candle. So first of all, let's see if this lights. Looks like it will do. I've got a flame going there. I'll just put the light out. On the camera you can see that burning away very strongly. Okay, so now it's time to take this candle I've made from recycled wax and a recycled food tin to the very basic heater, which does have a bit of physics behind it. Very simple, but it works great. So here is an old piece of aluminium piping and a metal office tray. I'll put a screw through just to hold the pipe in place. You could use anything to hold this pipe in place as long as it's metal. Yeah, so aluminium is great for conducting heat. Copper is better. Copper is number one. Aluminium is second, but I don't have a copper pipe at the moment, so I'm using this aluminium. And the physics behind it is that when you put the candle under this piping, whether it's aluminium or copper, the candle will heat up the pipe. The heat will rise through the top and it will draw in the cold air from the bottom, and so you have a continuous convection going on, and the heat really is coming out from the top of this pipe. It's blowing out. Behind it I've got some fireproof reflective material just to reflect back in heat into the area you're heating. The top of this pipe really is blowing out some hot air. Okay, so a great emergency heater in case of power cuts. Great for your shed, garage, campervan. But it isn't an emergency heater, and if you do make anything like this, make sure you do have a carbon monoxide detector and a fire extinguisher at hand. And make sure you do have some ventilation. But that really is pumping out some heat from one candle. A great way to save a little money on your utility bills, or to get you out of a problem if you do have a power cut, and all made by recycled materials.